These are the tiles that we're considering for the kitchen and dining room. Hi, dude. I'm good. I am actually recording a movie for you. I'm on the phone. Right. Here's B making dinner. Dad's complaining about stuff. His feet hurt. There's the peanut! Oh, he walked away.
Naughty!
P.
No, over there.
Peanut.
Look over there. There's food.
Look at him. He's jumping up on the refrigerator.
There's food somewhere.
I know. Alright, see if I can get you in to see. Yeah, this is the new window in the living room. Ooh. I know, I'm going to. Dad said you need to fly home for a day so you can help him with